What is up, everybody? It's your boy Bobby G, guys, and I want to bring you a special video. This is something that I have not done on my channel before, but guys, I feel like I wanted to try this time to give y'all something different, and that's going to be my you can count them, my 5 top cases that stay in my rotation, okay? Now, these are not going to be in any particular order, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you guys through these. We're going to try them on the phone here. And then, of course, I'm going to tell you why I like those cases. And then, kind of give you my reasoning. Then you guys can make a decision on if it's something that, hey, you know what, Bobby, you're right. I feel like that could fit on my phone. So without further ado, let's go ahead. And this one is going to be a very controversial one, but it is actually the tech woven case from Apple. Now, guys, this case right here is again an Apple branded case. Okay, so this is Apple branded. However, I love this case. Now, it's going to sound really cheesy, guys. I might show my age here, but this gives me straight up Ninja Turtle vibes, okay? Especially with that cosmic orange and that green contrast. Again, this gives me Ninja Turtle vibes, aka shout out Michelangelo. Now, this one is one of my favorites. Again, really silly, but I love the texture of this case, okay? It feels good in the hand. Pause, of course. The side, it has really good grip, okay? I actually like how this case is designed. You guys can see right there on the camera. See how you can see the edge of that color of that phone through this case? So it gives it that two-tone effect also from the front and from the back. It gives me just enough raised front lip protection. Throw my phone down without any issues. Again, the reason why I like this case probably the most is the feel of it, the texture, and it just looks good. It looks really clean. Everything functions really well. The metal buttons. This is just a solid case all around. Good protection. If you're down for it, like if it's something you're into, you could do a lanyard setup with this as well. I didn't, but those are the reasons why I love this case. Again, the fit, the finish, the feel, the two-tone look, and how it contrasts against my Cosmic Orange 17 Pro Max. Now, another case that I am very much into besides this one, let's get this off real quick, is going to be one that has been on my channel for many generations now, and that's going to be the Spigen case, okay? Now, this one in particular is, let me look this up right here. I got the box to the side. This is going to be the Ultra Hybrid case from Spigen. This is the Neo 1. So Neo 1 is that slick design right there. Guys, again, this is going to be kind of self-explanatory, right? Y'all see how clean and slick that looks on the back? So the design is very big for me on why I would daily or why I would choose a case or put it in my rotation. Hey, what's up? This is Future Bobby coming to you live. Well, not live. Anyways, that's not the point. The point is, you guys are watching the video right now, and I'm just wanting to ask you a little favor. Like, comment, and subscribe. It costs you nothing, guys, and it helps me out a whole lot. All right, enough interruption. Back to the video. So you guys can see right here, the design is very clean. This is a clear case, okay? You're gonna have really good protection on the back to throw down your case and not even worry about it. Face down protection, you're gonna have a slightly raised lip. Again, throw down your phone without even worrying about it. So you're protective on that. You got corner protection as well. This overall is just a very slick, very clean looking case. Clean. The buttons feel really good on this case as well. Now, the camera protection is also going to be slightly raised, and it's just a really good pick. So, again, you're going to see a lot of this is based on how it looks and how it feels. That's kind of how I base what cases I really like, how they look, what's the grip on them, and then, of course, how dailyable they are. Is that a word? Dailyable? Anyways, so this is going to be, again, the Spigen Ultra Hybrid, the 01 case. I love the look. I love the feel. I love the grip. It's just all around a good case. And it's not that expensive. Spigen always has a way of working some magic behind the scenes and making their cases some of the most affordable out there. So this is going to be a very affordable case. I want to say off the top of my head, I think it's under 30 bucks. Now this Apple case is not so cheap. When I say it's close to the $50, $60 range, I might be wrong. But what I'll do is I'll post some pictures on the screen. I'll flash some prices of this stuff, just kind of let y'all know. All right, so those are a few. That's two so far that I really like. Another one that is definitely big in my rotation is going to be right here. And this is going to be from Caudabe, one of my goated partners for the channel. And guys, if you know Caudabe, you know, right? It's going to sound like I'm glazing them right now. But if you know the quality that they bring, you know that I'm not making this crap up, right? It's the product speaks for itself. So we've got right here is going to be the frosted synthesis. You know, I gotta just clean up my phone. OCD going to drive me crazy. Synthesis right here. This one, again, the finish, that frosted back, that texture is amazing. Like, it feels great to hold, to handle. On the side, you've got these little raised little bumps. That's gonna be really good for grip. I like the kind of almost like matte finish around the edges of this case. Like, it just, again, guys, it just feels really good to daily, to pocket, to carry around. It doesn't dig in your hands. It's very, very protective. So you've got a very high raised lip for your cameras, your bottom protection, your corner. Your face down protection is probably so far one of the most protective. It's got a really nice raised lip on that front. So you got no problems right there. Man, the buttons feel really great on this. Guys, this is one of the goated cases right here. Again, this is going to be the Caudabe, not the Caudabe synthesis, not the sheath, the synthesis, the frosted one. Their frosted line just goes too hard, man. It's just amazing. So that's going to be the third in my lineup. Okay, I promise y'all 5. Y'all count with me. 1, 2, 3. Now, let's go ahead and look at kind of nearing the last 2. And again, if you know my channel, this is one of the ones that I wasn't really sure about, guys. Okay, like this one right here, I was not sure if I was going to like it, to be honest. It's one of those ones that you see on the internet. You're like, bro, that case is absolutely fugly. Who the hell would rock that case? It looks really rugged, it looks really jagged, it looks really ugly. Like, who would rock it? And I am a big enough man to admit I was wrong. And that's going to be the tank case from dbrand. Okay, this tank case from dbrand, oh man, again, stays in my rotation. Y'all can just look right there. You've got this unique, let's just say it like that, unique case design. You've got all these little indentations, all these little marks. See if I can bring it up in camera if you guys can see. If y'all can see right there, you got the all-seeing eye right there. You got all kinds of inscriptions. You got Braille. You got just all kinds of stuff on here going on that just makes this case unique. That's just visually. Now, in the hand, this is a rigid, hard shell case. You wouldn't think something like that would be comfortable, right? You'd be like, man, that looks ugly. That looks bulky. Guys, this is one of the most comfortable cases that I have dailied in a long time. Like, it feels great in the hand. You have really good feedback from your buttons. I will say that, like, the power button is probably the least, it's kind of got something going on there. But everything else on this case, man, the buttons, solid. The fit, solid. The finish and all the little Easter eggs, man, on point. Your protection for everything from your cameras to the bottom of your phone, to the front of your phone. Y'all can see you got a really high raised lip right there. This case does it all. This case is going to be on the bulkier side, and it's not going to be the cheapest. I think it's going to be around the, I want to say like $50 range. So again, around 50 bucks. But again, if you're brave and you don't care about what people think, guys, go for it. You can get these at Best Buy, and I'm sure they're going to have them. I know we're doing the 17 Pro Max video like this late in the year, but I'm very confident they're going to bring these out again for the 18 Pro Max, so you can check it out then when it comes to the 18 Pro Max. MagSafe is great on it. Every case that I've talked about and covered so far, these 3 right here again, Caudabe Synthesis, the Ultra Hybrid case from Spigen, and then the Apple Tech Woven case. All three of these have great MagSafe and have great protection. So I really love them. That's just continued along with this tank, man. Big, bulky, son of a gun that don't take no mess from nobody. Check out this dbrand tank case for sure. All right, let's go ahead and take this off. I have glazed dbrand efficiently and effectively enough. Now, this one right here, before I bring it in, guys, before I bring in this last one, I think I made the video on this, I want to say 3 weeks ago. And guys, I kid you not, this case, until I made this video today, has not moved off of my phone. And that is going to be the Torras Q3 Air Pro. Dang, that's a long name. But holy crap. I'm going to tell y'all, like, if you haven't seen the video, I'm going to try to link it at the top. Look, I'm over here trying to talk and do stuff, and it's not working out. But I'm going to tell y'all something right now. This is one of those, what I call lucky coincidences. So I would have never, probably never, have thought to look at the Q3 Air Pro for the 17 Pro Max. But thank goodness Torras, somebody out there was looking out for me. So shout out Torras. They were like, yo, Bobby, when do I send over this Q3 Air Pro for you to check out, feature on your channel? I was like, bet, I'll check it out. So they sent it over to me. I was like, listen, guys, hold on. I get it, okay? I know. It's got this big ass forehead right here at the top, right? You got these corners, just big old corners. But y'all, when I tell you for a fact, this case has not left my phone since I made that video, I'm not lying to y'all. Like, I kind of feel bad because I normally rotate cases like every week just to get a good feel of these cases for longevity. But this Torras has been on my phone ever since it came out. So you know what that means, right? When they come out with one for the Pixel, I'm going to get it. When they come out for one for the 18 Pro, I'm going to get it. Guys, let me just tell you about this case, okay? Again, Q3 Air Pro from Torras. Protection, forget about it. This thing is absolutely, you got some airbags at the top to get your impacts. You have amazing raised lip for your cameras. So this is going to be another one of those that protects your phone from top to bottom. So you don't have to worry about that. The MagSafe on this has been on point. I love it. The feel on this with the grooves, the metallic buttons, the tactile feedback, the raised front lip, the raised protection on the back. Again, the MagSafe, the USB fit, everything has been phenomenal. There's a reason why this case has been on my phone since I made that video. Like, there is a big reason. This case is phenomenal. Now listen, I feel like out of all the cases I've showed you, this one right here, this Torras Q3 Air, it's the most expensive. Okay, I'm not gonna BS y'all. This is the most expensive case. There are a lot of cheaper options out there. However, I don't know what it is about this case, man. It is so fresh, so clean. Like, the built-in kickstand is just fire right there. Like I said, there's some reason. Like, I've listed all the things I love about it, but there's a reason that I just keep this phone on my case. And guess what? After this video, guess what's going to stay on my 17 Pro Max for the foreseeable future? This case right here. The way it feels, the way you're able to daily it, the protection it gives, it has been a dream. Now, this is going to be a different color than the video I did. So the video I did, it had the brown color on it. This is going to be basically black, right? It's kind of like got a smoky color to it or tint to it, but it's black. So again, shout out Torras. Thank you for sending me the black one as well as the brown one. Guys, pick it up. Take a chance. Live a little bit. I promise you will love this case just like I love it, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and close it out. We're reaching about 15 minutes. I try to do this with no cuts, just give you raw, real, and unfiltered. I'm going to go through and put all these cases in the video and then kind of give you the name of the rundown of these. And, you know, I'll feature all these in the video description as much as I can, prices, links, all that jazz. Y'all know how we do it around here, okay? So let's go through and remind you of what we checked out today. And I'll kind of see if I can abbreviate and give it a simplistic reason of why I love that case. Starting with the left. So we got the tank case. This tank case is from dbrand, again, around the $50-ish mark right here. This one is bulky. It ain't playing with nobody. It has a unique look. So if you're like worried about what people think about your case and, oh, I don't want to think I'm weird, that's not the case for you. But if you want to be bold, protective, you like hard shell cases, you will not miss with this one. If you're more of a person who's like, I don't like to buy cases from anybody other than Apple, this tech woven case, which I really hope that they keep this going this year for the next 18, for the 18 Pro Max and the 18 Pro lineup. This case is awesome. Again, it's not cheap. It's about to say like the $50 to $60-ish range. But if you're a big texture person, y'all see me, right? Sorry. If you're a big texture person, this is a great weekend case. You could daily this, right? But I like to put this on my phone sometimes when we go out for the weekend with my wife, just to dress up my phone, give it some protection, but a clean and fresh look. Spigen, if you're looking for value and protection and a good look for your phone, you cannot go wrong with Spigen. This is going to be around the, say, the $30-ish range right here for this Spigen case. You cannot miss with this, especially, again, if you're looking for value for the money. You want to spend a little bit more money, get something that is, I feel like, a great all-arounder, like kind of like Goldilocks, not too thick, not too minimal, nice frosted look, good texture on it, good tactile buttons. You cannot go wrong with Caudabe. So this is going to be the Caudabe Frosted Synthesis. You cannot go wrong with it. Again, $50-ish range. And then if you're just like, Bobby, money is no object, I don't even care about it, man. I'm just made of money. I just kind of burn money like Scrooge McDuck. I also just showed my age again. But if you're like, Bobby, I don't care about that. I just want something that looks unique, but also protective, but also feels good in the hand. Got built-in MagSafe. Oh, and here's the crazy thing. These cases right here, these are all MagSafe, right? So they're magnetic to accessories. I didn't tell you, did I? This Torras case, not only does it work with MagSafe things, you can stick this to metal. So you can stick this to metal as well. So it's magnetic to metal. You work out in the gym, put it to that gym equipment, record yourself working out, whatever. This is great. If you don't care about spending the money, you like money, I got money to burn, go for this Torras Q3 Air Pro. You will not regret it. All right, guys, so that's my top 5 unscripted, raw, filtered information coming off the dome to you guys. Let me know in the comment section your opinions of if you would pick one of these up. Remember, this whole video was about my 5 picks for cases, top cases in my rotation right now. So these are my 5 top picks. You can let me know, are these any of these in your 5 top picks? Do you have different 5, or different cases that you like? Put all that in the comment section. Let's talk. Let's have some dialogue. Let's have some discussion. But this is a great time to look at these options and to consider them because guess what? iPhone 18 Pro Max release is, as of the filming of this video, about a month out. So guess what? The options that you have right here, they'll more than likely be available when that 18 Pro Max comes out. So you can have a good opinion, observation right now, and then be ready to pull the plug on one of these cases for your 18 Pro Max. But we won't stop, guys, okay? I'll do some content for some new cases when that 18 Pro Max comes out. And you know what? I might even hook you up with some videos on the iPhone Ultra, iPhone 4, whatever they're going to call it. Guys, it's been a pleasure to come with you and just share a little bit of my personality, my time, and my pick for the top 5 cases for Bobby G. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have an amazing day, amazing weekend. Stay safe. Take care of each other and go create some memories. I'm out, y'all. Peace.